Okay, so these are the directions for this set, and here 6 children. These are TV stars who have acted in different shows. So there are shows given across years. How many shows are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shows. So 6 children, 5 shows. So different number of children acted in each of the five TV shows, with each of the child actors acting in at least 2 TV shows. Those children who acted in H did not act in U and R. Okay, let's see the table. Okay, we will put these condition in the table only. Okay, this is the question here. Which TV show had 2 child actors acting in it? Okay, so let me draw the table myself. Okay, see, we have the children A, J, U, O, P and H. These are the 6 children. Okay. Now if I see the movies or shows H, Y, R, U and P. Okay, these are the shows. Okay, based on these direction, we will just see that what are the possibilities or what are the cases. Okay, now see. First thing is different number of child actor, okay, acting in each of the 5 TV shows. So TV shows, the number of the children in each show must be different, right? And each child actor acting in at least 2 TV shows, right? Okay, because there are 5 shows and each will be different, right? Can I say that the numbers would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because the number of children acting in different shows must be different, right? And there are maximum of 6 children, each child acting in more than one, that is at least 2 TV shows. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Rather here information, right? Additional information, it should be, right? The correct wording should be that each TV show, right? Each TV show must have must be having at least 2 child actors. Okay, the reverse one. Each child actor acting in at least 2 TV shows, right? It should be vice versa also, that each TV show must have 2 child actors. Okay, that should be the condition here. Okay. Now, further, those children who acted in H did not act in U and R. Okay, so this is one information that we will be using, right? If somebody is acting in H, cannot act in U or R, cannot act, right? These two, if H is true, U and R cannot be true. No child acting in a TV show which has the same first letter as the first letter of the name. So U cannot act in U, P cannot act in P, H cannot act in H, right? Okay, so these were the common name, first letter, right, of the name and first letter of the show. Now, Ashish did not act in U, Ashish did not act in U and Javed did not act in R. Okay, so these were given. Now, if I say, right, just think of this, right? I have written here that there are, each show will be having, right, these many actors. So who can have 6 actors, right? In which show these 6 actors will act? Because H cannot have, right? Because H is not acting. R or R cannot have all 6. U cannot have all 6. P cannot have all 6. So all 6 are possible only in case of Y. So here all 6 would be there. I'm saying different number of actors acting in different shows. So here because it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 actors must be there in this, right? Now if I think of 5 actors, right? Now the problem is wherever I will put H, okay, then I need to cancel R and U because H cannot work with R and U, right? So if you are putting H anywhere, right, now minimum 2 H you will put, okay, in H minimum 2 actor you will take because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you take 2 that, so 2 R and 2 U will be cancelled. So R and U cannot have that 5 actors, okay, and 5H is also not possible. If you take 5H, R and U will be remaining 1 only because R and U cannot be there, right? So that means only possibility for 5 actors is P, right? P can have only 5 actors, okay? P can have 5 actors, right? That is true. Now the remaining, so 6 gone, 5 gone, now 2, 3 or 4, right? Okay, let's think of that who will be having, right, 3, who will be having 4, right? Let's say if I take H as 3, right? H as 3 actors acting in H, okay? Then that means R and U 3 possibility will be gone. Minimum 3 possibility will be gone because wherever H is there, R and U cannot be there, right? So that means if H will be 3 ticks, 3 actors, R and U cannot have 4 actors. So where I will put those 4 actors, right? And if I put H as 4 H, so 4R, 4U will be gone. So I cannot have 3 anywhere. So that means H cannot be 4, H cannot be 3. Definitely there are 2 actors acting in H. So that means 3 and 4, possibility of 3 actor and 4 actor is only in R and U, right? So let's take the first case. If you have, okay, in U we have that 4 actors, right? Then it will be this case. I can have this here, this here, this here, because others are not possible. So here U4. If U is here, right, now that means here H cannot be there. So H will definitely be here and here only, right? So possibility of R, because H is there, R cannot be there, so R will be here only. So I got this first case where H has 2 actor, R has 3 actor, U has 4 actor. Okay. Now I am taking the second case, right, with a different color, let's say white color, right? If R has got 4 actors. Let's say I can have 4 actor here. 1, I'm taking it with Y, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If I've taken 4 here, right, where I can take 3, where I can take 3 for U, right? It can be here, right? Rather it must be here because H can now be here only, right? For white circles, this is a different case. So H is 2 now, R is 4, U is 3. Now other case you can take one more case is there, right? That is for, let's say I'm taking blue color, right? For R, if you take, okay, instead of the top one, if you take R here and 3 below 3 is compulsory, right? Why compulsory? Because otherwise H cannot be 2. right? Now R becomes again 4, this, and H becomes now, okay, just see the blue circle. So these are the three possibilities. These are the three possibilities, right, of H2, right, R or U, 3 or 4, right? R and U will have 3 or 4, right? 3 and 4, your TV star or artist, you can say, actors, okay? But P is fixed, Y is fixed, right? Movie P is, show P is fixed, show Y is fixed, okay? So these are the cases, okay? Nothing else. So let's move to this. Which TV show had two child actors acting in it? Two child, definitely this, right? We have H definitely 2, right? H definitely 2. And R and U we have option. R and U we have option. P definitely 5 and Y definitely 6. R and U 3 or 4. Okay. So yes, A option is the correct answer. Now, what best can be concluded about the number of TV shows U? So I told you U, it is either 3 or 4. We have, right, H definitely 2, right? R and U, right, it can be 3 or 4. This 3, this 4, or this 4, this 3, right? There are two possibilities. Okay. Y definitely 6 and P definitely 5. Okay. So, oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. We have answered it wrongly, right? The thing is, he is talking about what best can be concluded about the number of TV shows you acted. It is not the TV show you, or you is not the show. I have taken you as the show, right? It is the you is the actor. You is the actor. Acted in how many shows? Okay, just see that you actor. Okay, just see you actor acted in, you can see here, you actor acted in 1 compulsory, 1 fix, 2 fix, right? Out of these, right, out of these 3 cases, 1 case would be there. So either he will act here, or he will act here, or he will act here, right? That means total 3 shows, right? Y and P is fixed. Out of that blue dot, green dot, or white dot, there will be one of the case. So one of the case, there will be one more show, right? So that means 3 shows, right? 3 shows. So it was, you was the person. I took initially you as Uttaran, that show. Okay. But here you is the person, right? You is the actor acting in number of shows. Number of shows were 3. Okay, number of shows were 3. Earlier I answered for Uttaran as a show, right, whose number of actors were 3 or 4. Okay, but it is not the case. It is Ursula, which is actor, who is an actor, right, and she will definitely act in, right, 3 shows. Okay, 3 is the correct answer. Okay, question is, for how many of the 6 TV actors can we uniquely determine the exact TV show they acted in and didn't act in? Right? Exact TV show. How many actors? Right? How many actors? Just focus here. How many actors you can say? Okay. So for this, right, H you can definitely find, right? Because in all the cases it is yes, it is yes. For P also you can find, right? For O you can also find, and this is definitely across. Okay. For all others, there is a possibility, right? You can tell the number of shows maybe, but you cannot tell the exact show, right, in which he is acting or not acting, right? Okay, so that means only for 3. So for how many of the 6 TV actor can we uniquely? So it should be 3, right? Okay. Now 3 is the correct answer. You can answer for 3. Okay. Question is, who among the following could have acted in you? Uttara. So you cannot act in you, right? Now A or J, let's see. Who could have, right? Could have means the possibility. Could have is the possibility, and let's see that Uttaran who could have worked? J could have worked. J could have worked, right? O other than OPH, J could have worked. Okay, so that means the answer should be J. Okay, J is Javed. Yes, so Javed is the possibility who can work in Uttaran, right? What best can be concluded about the number of child actors acting in R? Okay, this is the show, name of show R. So I told you for show R there are 3 and 4. Because for show U and for show R, right, there were possibilities 3 or 4. Right, 3 or 4 actors can work in that. Okay, that we have already concluded from the general solution. Right, 3 or 4 is the correct answer. Now, what was the number of TV stars that acted in 3 TV shows? Okay, because it was your theta type of questions. So type in the answer, right? You will answer 1, 2, 3, whatever. You will answer 99 if the answer is cannot be determined. Okay. So here you can answer 99 also if cannot be determined. Now the question is, what was the number of TV stars that acted in 3 TV shows? So number of TV stars that acted in 3 TV shows, you just see what we can conclude from here, right? Just see this data, right? A, how many shows A worked in, right? Okay, see, out of these 3 cases, there will be 1 show, right? The 3 dots, blue, green or white, right? There are 3 cases only. So out of this, so 1 show must be there. And 2 are compulsory, Y and P. So A will be working in 3 shows, definitely. Similarly, J, out of these 3, he will be working in 1, right? That means out of H or U, he will be working in 1 show. And Y and P are compulsory. So J will also be working in 3 shows exactly. Right? U, again U, right? 2, 1, 3. Right? That means out of H or R, he will be working in 1 of the show. Right, and Y and P are compulsory. Again, you will be working in 3 shows. O will be working in 4 shows. P will be working in 3 shows. H will be working in 4 shows. Right, 4 shows, 4 shows. So that means 3 shows, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, J, U and P. Right, A, J, U and P will be working in 3 shows. Okay, definitely. So you can answer 4. 4 actors will be working in 4 actors, exactly 4 actors will be working in 3 shows, 3 TV shows. Right? So here the answer is 4.